A simple procedure is shown to root a rubber plant from cuttings in water to make new rubber trees. Spring to summer is the best time to propagate a rubber tree. The first important step on how to strike rubber tree plant cuttings is to take a good cutting from the tip of a healthy rubber plant stem. You can take the cuttings from your friend's house, wrap them in a newspaper until you are ready to proceed. Now cut the stem at 2 to 3 nodes as shown, keep one leaf. Wash off the milky white sap from the cuts with water. If the irritating sap comes in contact with your skin or eyes, wash immediately with water. Put all the cuttings in a cup and add water, about 2 inch high. Place the cup in shade but at warm place. Change the water every week and look for any roots. It may take up to 12 weeks to form the roots. Plant the rooted cuttings in free draining soil in pots. Add some river sand in the potting mix to make it free draining. The new growth will initially take a few months.